They are just next to each other, and the exchange rates are totally different. Yes, I'm talking about exchanging money in Thailand. Things are crazy. In today's vlog, I am going to show you how and where you can exchange money for better rates, where to get cash, what ATMs to use, how much cash to bring, and what cards to use, and last, how to open a local bank account. So if you are coming to Thailand and want to have more cash and fun, then sit back tight and enjoy the vlog. Before we start telling you where to exchange money, let me give you the basic things that you should know in order to exchange money in Thailand. Most of the shops needs your original passport to exchange foreign currencies. Some accepts a copy, but you better to have the original passport with you. Another thing, some exchange shops ask your phone number and your hotel name. And last, which is very important, most of them don't accept signed or stamped money, and especially dollars. So be careful to bring the new ones and clean ones. But if not, I will tell you in this vlog where you can exchange if you have signed ones. Now of course, everything starts at the airport. And I have mentioned a lot that the best rates at the airport are at the base floor behind the public transportation. And if you need to exchange money at the airport, then go to the base floor and you will find the rates much better than the arrival floor. Here I want to tell you that the best rates are not in the airport, and better to exchange as less as you need, and watch the next part to know where are the best places to exchange money in Thailand. Now many of you think that some famous places like Superrich Company are the best places and give the best rates in Thailand. But it's wrong. First let me tell you why these famous places are not the best services. Once you go, let's say, to Superrich Company, which is located almost everywhere in Thailand and especially at the SkyTrain stations or airport links, and since people think they are the best, the first thing you will see is super crowded and you will wait for hours to exchange your money. Second, they will ask you for your original passport, your hotel address, your phone number, and sign here and sign there. And moreover, they don't accept any signed or old money notes. So just because they are giving little bit more money, they will give you all that headache. So what's the alternative? Many people avoid these crowds and they just exchange money from shops located at the malls, main streets and around their hotels where the rates are lower but not crowded. For example, the rate at Superrich today is 34.20 for 1 USD and in the mall next to it 34 for 1 USD. And that's why you see all these crowds waiting in line in front of the Superrich Company. Now I will give you places for better rates and better options. Now let's say you are exchanging money in Sukhumvit area where most tourists stay. If you walk little bit to Sukhumvit 7 or 3 and enter the Soi, you will find lot of exchange shops next to each other with better rates and less headache. For example, as you saw today, the rates at Superrich is 34.20, while here is 34.68. Yes, much better and not crowded. super fast service. Just copy your passport and get your cash. Moreover, if your money notes are signed or old, no problem as long as they are real money. So imagine better rates, no complications, and getting more money without waiting for hours. These streets and these shops are not the only ones that gives better rates in Thailand. In Sukhumvit you will find a lot from these shops, and moreover they open almost all the day. So no worries what time you exchange, not like the well-known ones that close at 5 or 6 p.m. Now let's talk about cards and ATM machines. Let's say you are not into cash but you prefer to use your cards. Then you should choose the ATMs that provides you with local currency and less exchange rates. Now all of them are almost the same rate. You should check the sign of the cards that the machine accepts, and when you withdraw, don't accept the ATM changing rate, and the exchange rate will be better. And moreover, if you want to take, let's say, dollars, then you have to choose ATMs that contains foreign currency signs. But of course, all of them will charge you for each transaction, at least 200 Thai baht. So having cash with you is better option. Another thing about the cards is that when you are in restaurants or clubs or any other places where you want to use your cards, you better know how much your local bank will charge you for international transactions. For example, some of them charge you 1% on every transaction, other 2 and 3. In this case, paying cash will be a better option to save. Concerning hotels in Thailand, when you are booking online, some of them will not charge you and get the cash when you check in. And they insist from you to show the real card that you have booked the room upon it. So you better have the card with you. I've got this question a lot. How much cash to bring? Well, you can bring as much as you want, and depending how long you are staying. And yes, it is safe to keep it at your safe box at your hotel, as long as you are staying in a normal hotel. But having your cards with you is an extra option when you are short in cash. Now, if you are interested in opening a bank account in Thailand, then in general you must have non-immigrant visa or O visa, work permit, such types of visas in order to open bank account in a local bank. Now, some try to open with their tourist visa, and most of the time the bank will ask your passport verification from your embassy in Thailand and request to open bank account. These are the rules, but once you have a Thai bank account, the benefits are a lot. Some of them paying by local currency and the online payments and barcode scans. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and had an idea about how to exchange and where to exchange money in Thailand, besides everything I have mentioned. So thank you for watching, stay tuned and subscribe for more from Live Love Thailand.